Roman emperors discovered they could print money 2,000 years before modern governments. Imagine that, a ruler sitting in marble halls, deciding not by raising taxes or cutting soldiers' pay, but by shaving silver off coins and calling the result treasure. That small, silent theft from every pocket in the empire became a tool of statecraft, funding legions, buying loyalty, and waging wars without the immediate pain of higher levies. This is the story of currency debasement, how Rome turned its money into a secret weapon. Roman coins, the silver denarius, the aureus gold piece, were valued because people trusted their metal content. Debasement is simple. Reduce the precious metal in the coin while keeping the face value the same. Swap pure silver for an alloy, clip the edges, or mint lighter coins. To the emperor, it was a shortcut. More coins out of the same metal, more pay for soldiers, more cash to pay suppliers. To the public, it was inflation on the sly. Prices rise, savings lose value, and trust erodes. Over time, repeated debasements turned the denarius from a reliable store of value into a token backed by political will rather than metal. War and politics are expensive. Rome's borders stretched thousands of miles. Legions needed pay. Grain had to be shipped. Public games calmed restless crowds, and ambitious emperors bought support with donatives and contracts. Raising taxes was politically risky and slow. Debasement was immediate. An emperor could double the number of coins in circulation by lowering silver content. And suddenly the treasury looked full. For short-term stability, it worked. Soldiers got paid, allies bribed, and campaigns financed. The trick was that the cost was deferred and dispersed. The population paid through rising prices and hidden losses to savings. Debasement was also a strategic choice in war. Quickly minted, debased coin could be used to recruit mercenaries, buy off rival tribes, or secure alliances at frontier forts. During emergencies, invasions, civil wars, sudden pay demands, rapid expansion of the money supply let Rome move resources faster than taxation allowed. But when opposing forces also relied on Rome's market, inflation could ripple into allied economies, undermining neighbors and making them more dependent on Roman handouts. In short, fake money amplified Rome's reach. It bought time, troops, and influence, sometimes at the cost of long-term economic health. Short-term wins turned into long-term problems. As emperors repeatedly debased coinage, markets began to distrust currency values. Merchants demanded more coin for the same goods. Prices spiraled. Barter and alternative currencies reappeared. Private hoards were melted down to extract silver. People preferred foreign coins or raw bullion. The state responded with heavier-handed measures, price edicts, prosecutions for hoarding, even harsher tax collection, which only worsened social tensions. In extreme cases, hyperinflation-like conditions eroded the fiscal capacity of the state, making it harder, not easier, to pay soldiers and administer the empire. Rome didn't collapse because of debasement alone, but monetary erosion was a key thread in a larger tapestry of political strain, military pressure, and administrative dysfunction. Debasement shows a danger any polity faces: the temptation to hide costs by shifting them into the future. It also teaches that money relies on trust. Metal content was one ground for trust. Institutional consistency was another. When rulers substitute short-term political fixes for sound finance, they risk turning money, the glue of markets and armies, into a liability. So the secret is out. Roman emperors did far more than carve marble and parade legions. They managed money as a weapon. By quietly shaving silver and issuing more coins, they financed campaigns that extended Rome's power. But like any weapon that wounds its wielder, debasement cut both ways. It funded empire building, yes, and seeded the financial stresses that later generations had to fight through. The lesson echoes today. Printing power without accountability may win battles, but it can lose an empire's future.